So let me give you a little bit of an introduction about Xiao Ming Xing Children's Products Company Limited. Now the company was actually established in 2013. It's been a while, huh? But also this factory is actually located in Baby City, Xinjiang Town, Pinghu City, Zhejiang Province. Now, this factory is actually close, all right? Really close to Shanghai. It's only about 5 kilometers away. And it is really close to main expressway and ports. That means if you want them to be your supplier, the logistics part, it's really accessible. It's kind of like an advantage if you think about it. Now, they actually specialize in electric baby carriages, and they have their research and development team or offices in Taizhou and in Shanghai. Now, the factory's area is about 15,000 square meters. Let me just highlight some of these. Actually, this factory is ISO 9001 certified. There you go, there's a copy. It says here, Xiao Ming Xing Children's Products Company Limited. It's awarded to them. So there's ISO 9001 certified, and then this is the BSCI, all right, BSCI certification. And then let me just move to the other one. I also have here their EN71 test report, all right. By the way, test reports are not for just the whole thing. Like every single one of them, they have to go through different test reports. So that was the EN71. We also have here the ASTM F963 certification or test report. That means that's for the North American market. Another EN71, another ASTM, because they have tons of these, because each product have to go through different test reports or testing. So I have here an automatic assembly line. So basically, we have this conveyor, of course, all right? It comes with all these basic parts of the vehicle. Like this one is a door, right? So they assemble the exterior of these cars. Now these are already kind of pre-installed with the wiring. So if you follow me, let's go. And then on this part, our friend over here will add more wiring to the car. He will add some of the metal parts, the braces and the chassis, and everything seems to be a-okay. Now once everything is okay and working perfectly fine, he's gonna set it here. He's gonna leave it here. Actually, this is the part, the packaging part, where the semi-finished product, all right, is gonna be packed. So we're just doing a demo right now, but this is what it goes through with all the different products in the box. So this is actually a finished product inside it. So they go through it, they drop it on different sizes and angles, and then they will open it, of course. They do random checks for these as well when they go to the warehouse. They pick up random boxes and check if everything's a-okay. So as you can see, the product actually survived the impact because it's all padded. You can see all the foam and everything that protects the product.